Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making another Christmas cake, and this one is a gingerbread man cake. So let's get started. I started out by frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some brown fondant and cut out one normal-sized gingerbread man and a bunch of little tiny ones. I spent a few minutes cleaning up the edges. Then I placed the large one on top of the cake, and I placed a bunch of the small ones on the side of the cake. Then I piped a star border along the bottom of the cake. This is just a squeeze and release of a closed star tip. Then I piped some swirls along the edge of the cake. I had also bought these tiny little gingerbread man sprinkles. I placed a tiny gingerbread man on top of each swirl. Then I placed one on every other star along the bottom of the cake. Then I used some black buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip and piped eyes and a mouth and buttons on the gingerbread men on the side of the cake. I piped the gingerbread man on top, mimicking the markings on the sprinkles. I tapped down the points on the piping. I think this cake is adorable. It's very festive and perfect for Christmas time. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon if you want to. We'd love to see you there.